Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's at the core of our happiness and success, knowing your worth. Have you ever felt like you're just a number, easily replaceable, whether at work, in a friend group, or even in a relationship? It's a heavy feeling, right? It can make you question everything about yourself. But I'm here to tell you that this feeling is a myth, a story we tell ourselves, or worse, a story others try to make us believe. The truth is, you are irreplaceable. Let's think about this for a second. We live in a world that often treats people like they're cogs in a machine. Job descriptions list skills and experiences, and it's easy to think, well, anyone with these qualifications can do my job. But that's a massive oversimplification. It completely ignores the most valuable asset you bring to the table, you. Your unique personality, your specific way of solving problems, the energy you bring into a room, your creative spark, your sense of humor, your empathy. These are things that can't be listed on a resume. They are your unique signature, your personal brand of magic. No one else has your exact combination of experiences, perspectives, and talents. Nobody. When you fail to see this, when you start believing you're replaceable, you give away your power. You start settling for less than you deserve. You might stay in a toxic job because you're afraid you won't find another. You might accept disrespectful behavior from others because you fear being alone. You stop speaking up, you stop sharing your brilliant ideas, and you start shrinking yourself to fit into a mold that was never meant for you. This is a one-way ticket to a life of quiet desperation and unfulfilled potential. It's like owning a masterpiece painting and treating it like a cheap poster. So how do we break this cycle? How do we start truly owning our worth? It begins with a conscious decision. It starts with self-awareness. Take a moment right now and think about 3 things you bring to the table that are uniquely you. Is it your ability to make people laugh when they're stressed? Is it your meticulous attention to detail that catches mistakes no one else sees? Is it your unwavering loyalty to the people you care about? Write them down. Acknowledge them. Celebrate them. These aren't just soft skills. They are your superpowers. Once you start recognizing your value, you need to protect it fiercely. This means setting boundaries. It means saying no to things that drain your energy or compromise your integrity. It means walking away from situations and people who consistently make you feel small or undervalued. This isn't being arrogant or selfish. It's an act of self-preservation and self-respect. When you respect yourself, others will have no choice but to follow suit. The people who are meant to be in your life will celebrate your strength and honor your boundaries. And remember, knowing your worth isn't a one-time event. It's a daily practice. It's about how you talk to yourself when you make a mistake. It's about choosing to invest in your growth, learning new things, and pursuing your passions. Every time you stand up for yourself, every time you choose courage over comfort, you're reinforcing the belief that you matter, that you are valuable, and that you are, without a shadow of a doubt, irreplaceable. The world doesn't just need what you do. It desperately needs who you are. Don't ever let anyone, including yourself, convince you otherwise. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this message resonated with you, please hit that like button and share it with someone who might need to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a more empowered and fulfilling life. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What makes you irreplaceable? Let's continue this conversation. Until next time, take care and own your greatness.